matter here?
I'm a wheel. I can fly.
Chief, I've wondered about this one in particular. She's a witch. The barbarian is a witch.
If I hear you say barbarian again, I will knock sense into your head. Now, Chief, are you following me downstairs now or not?
No, I'm not.
Honey?
Huh?
I'm not coming down.
Okay, you are not coming. Okay. Prepare for murder of all wars.
Don't worry, I am ready for terrorists. Today is today.
Okay. Good.
Let me handle it. Yes, let me handle it.
Are you sure?
But I love you.
Why? What's your name?
Honey,
Do fans.
honey, do something.
Why?
Come.
Honey, do something. Honey, honey, do something.
Chief! Chief! Did you say you are not coming with us downstairs?
I'm coming with you.
One showing.
It is so they don't kill you and spoil things for us.
Honey, you're not feeling me.
Our wire fees.
Neco fees, jump fees, junior wire.
Let us go downstairs. I'll settle everything.
Chief, you don't feel me. You can't leave me here.
This your flat is finest than our own.
Fine now.
What I say?
Change!
Let us go downstairs to our flat and settle everything. Even if it takes one whole week.
Oh my God.
We don't win!
Any affair against her.
You will swear. You will know that you are not the only one with a personal juju.
Chief, you are going to swear that you will never have any affair against her. Chief, you will also swear that you will never in your whole life have any affair against her.
Audio.
Chief, you are going to swear. Chief, you are going to swear.
Oh yes.
Wow. Chief, you swear.
I cannot swear.
Chief, you have to swear.
You will swear. You will swear that you are not having any affair against her.
Wow. You have to swear.
Chief, you will swear.
You are not.
You will swear. You will swear that you will never have any affair against her.
That is an offense, a very dangerous offense. Let me ask you, Chief. Have you seen a man that Ogugu made pregnant before?
But I was not the one that accused her now. I was not the one that accused her.
That is what I will swear. That is what I will swear. You will swear. You will swear.
Yeah, Caro is Caro.
Not. You said that she was about to kill you.
Caro, you swear.
I will not swear. Let her swear.
You will swear.
Caro, you swear. Swear.
No.
You swear.
I cannot swear.
I cannot swear. I cannot swear. Can't you people see that I'm pregnant?
You cannot swear because you are pregnant. Is that what you want to talk? Look, my friend, if you don't want that child inside your womb to be like Ngwere, to be like lizard, you better swear now if you are sure that my sister Peace want to kill Chief.
Bam. Oh yes, swear.
She's not planning anything, no. Sure. This is innocent. They said that if I do not say it, let me say I'm an accomplice.
Everybody is dodging now.
What's happening?
Darling.
We swear now.
What happened here? The mess you messed is smelling. Me. Mess. I know mess.
You swear.
For mess. I mess, but I know mess now.
You swear.
Nítorí so. Swear, Bo. Swear. Are you not the one who is always talking about juju today, juju tomorrow, this, that, juju? Why? Swear.
Bam. Swear now.
Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ń wò mí. It's time to swear. Swear, Bo. It's time to swear. Swear, Bo.
Swear now.
Chief, let me ask you again. Are you not accusing her again?
But my peaceful yellow tomatoes knows that I can never and have never believed that she was planning to kill me. You know,
Baby boy.
My peaceful peace. You know that I know that you know that I never believe.
Chief Amaka, swear.
Swear.
I said.
Oh yeah, will cut him. I will cut him. You are falling down.
Eras drama ya di dangerous mabandi akuja mungu erasa. Chai! Ogugu.
Senior!
What happened?
Mommy, see what Hitler has done to my special Valentine dish. And even me, oh, Mommy, see.
Hey, shut up there.
She no good. Why you do this to me now? Oh, dad.
Ibia. Osunegi. Ekweblemu. You have started with this your one-sided judgment. Did she tell you that she was the first to pour my thing on the floor? Ibia. Mrs. Corruptible Judge.
Are you not the one who was pushing me by the door over there?
But I got to the kitchen first before you. Didn't I?
Senior, first thing first, though. Let us leave all this quarreling, no, eh? Now that both of us cannot cook, what will we do? If not, Carol will win also.
Lie. Carol can never win. Well, me too. I have bided special Valentine food. Wait. If 3 of us can united and cook together, Carol cannot win us.
Okay. That one is not a problem.
That is true, Mommy.
Mama Moji, civility. United we stand.
Divided we yabrakata.